Yeah, indeed. Yeah, beautiful. A good massage and the rest. Let's see how it's going on our sauce. Look at that. Oh my god. It looks so good. I'd rather eat this with the pasta than a pizza, but anyway. Again today is a pizza. I'm gonna make a basic tomato sauce for the vegetarian pizza. So it's gonna be tomato, couple of tomato, maybe I got some oregano. Let's see, yeah, I got oregano, fresh oregano. Oops. Okay. All right. Don't crush it. Here's our sauce. Tomato sauce. Baby. A little bit of chili flakes. That's it. The vegetarian brocconcini. I use all my flour, so I'm trying to deal with the sticking in the board, but it's all good actually. It's going to be a square pizza. So yeah, let's pre-cook. So let's pre-cook and then oven. The bread. There we go. For them, we're gonna make so it's 2 lobsters and 1 vegetarian. Yeah, let's do it. So therefore I'm doing 1 pizza. I'm making 1 pizza for you guys before the light fades away. I'm adding a few mushrooms, dividing 2 the lobster sauce. We're gonna have 2 lobster pizza and 1 vegetarian. So I decided to add the mushroom in here because I think it's just matches, you know. So, wow, it's looking great. So let's do it. So, okay, first pizza done. Lobster caught on my own this morning. Next to Aussie pie. So yeah, man, this is it's unbelievably good. The freshness of the lobster, the bread is so delicate as well. You wanna taste, Boogie? Nah, not for you, mate. You got a bone. Wow. Totally worth it. Cheers, guys. I just add some parsley.
No.
Oh yeah, it's looking great.
I don't know.
Alright. Another pizza coming out, perfectly cooked. So, subscribe. Wait for the next adventures. Life goes on, so enjoy it. Bye.